Okay, today I am very, very proud to introduce Rock Dean. We're in Shoreditch Road in Killams, very good area. Got Bishop's Fox's school, secondary school. You have King's College, lots of local amenities, fantastic area. Rock Dean itself is a 3-bedroom detached property, 1930s in build, lots of character features still in the property. To the rear, you have this fantastic terrace that comes off of the master from the ensuite. You've got a garage to the back, you've got parking, you've got this amazing oasis of a garden here as well as a rear garden. It is a fantastic property. I'm really looking forward to showing you around. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
You breathing in and out of my
Okay, so really beautiful property. Thank you so much for letting me show you around. Hopefully you've enjoyed it as much as I do. If you would like to book a viewing on this property or would like me to come and value yours, then that'd be wonderful. Please do get in contact and I hope to speak to you soon.
just let me breathe.